So let's start using the Pathfinder. Let's say we got two rectangles next to each other. I'm just gonna draw this second one, I'm just gonna give it another color. Just gonna change the fill of this one to kind of bluish. And let's overlap these two layers a little bit. Now let's say we want the overlapping part of the blue layer. So that I'm talking right here, this specific part. Let's change that, or maybe even delete that part. To do so, simply first you gotta select both layers. So click on both layers. Or by simply using the selection tool, a drawing box around them. Second, you see right here a window called Pathfinder popping up. Now, just in case you don't see that window, make sure to go to Window, click on Pathfinder, and you can see right here the divide option. So I'm just clicking on divide, and you can see right now that we have divided the blue shape in two parts. So right now I just can select this particular overlapping part, and I can change the color of it. Let's say I want it to be yellow, and you can see only that overlapping part is gonna get changed. But let's say you just want to delete it. Well, simply click on it, click on backspace to delete the area. Now I'm just going to also delete the other layer, and you can see we've just created a very uniquely shaped rectangle right here.